Today your ma'am is here with one new topic. But let's quickly revise which topics we have done till now. In few last videos we learned about our family, how important our family is, and different types of families. Yes, and different relationship. We have seen Moodle's family, Foodle's family. Yes. So before telling you the new topic, let me ask you, where do you all live? Where do you live with your family? कहाँ रहते हैं हम? We all live in a house with our families. We live with our family members. Yes. So our topic for today is house. What is a house? Why do we need a house? You know, children, all living beings need a house to live in. Yes, all living beings need a shelter to live in. Animals make different types of houses. Animals make different types, like lion lives in den. You might have seen birds. Birds make nests, and monkeys live on trees. Same way, so many other animals make different houses. But we human beings build houses to live in. Yes. Why we need a house? Why can't we live on trees? Why? Because a house protects us from heat, cold, rain. A house protects us from heat, cold weather, rain, wild animals, and from thieves also. Yes, we live with our family members safely in it. Yes, in the house we live with our family members safely. Yes, we must. It is our responsibility that we must keep our house neat and clean. See, our house is protecting us from so many things. So it is our responsibility to make it clean. We must keep our house clean. Now, let's learn about different parts of a house. Yes, a house is also having so many parts. Now, let's see and learn about different parts of a house. This is my house. I live here with my family. A house is made of walls, and the door enable us to get in or out of the house. The windows and skylight allow the natural light to enter the house. Windows also let in the fresh air. The roof is the topmost part of the house. It's a beautiful garden. It has many plants and beautiful colorful flowers in it. Garden. It's garage where we park our vehicles. We park our vehicles in the garage. Yes, garage. Stairs. These are stairs. Stairs are used to go up and down in the house. Letterbox. Yes, where postman uncle puts letters. This is the gate, the entrance of a house from where we go inside our house. Okay, just now you all have seen that a house is made up of so many parts. Yes, roof, door, windows, garage, garden, gate, stairs. Yes, I hope you know now. I hope now you remember that a house is made up of so many different parts. Now, let me ask you a few questions, and from there I will come to know that you have seen the video carefully or not. So, what you have to do, I will ask you one question related to the house, and you have to tell the spelling and how many vowels are there in that spelling. So, all are ready? Great. So, my first question is, in which part of the house we parked our vehicles? In which part we park our vehicles? We park our car, scooter. Where? Garage. Where we park our vehicles? Garage. 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 G-E. So how many vowels are there? 3 vowels. 2 times A and 1 time E. Garage. Okay. Second question. Where we grow beautiful flowers, beautiful plants. In which part of the house we grow beautiful flowers? Garden. Nice. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. And how many vowels are there? 2. A and E. Garden. Very nice. Okay, now next question is, how we go up and come down in a house when we want to go up to the first floor, and how we come down to the ground floor in a house. कैसे जाते हैं? We use what? Some of you will say, ma'am, we can go by lift. Yes, that is also correct. L-I-F-T. One vowel is there. And in some houses, you might have stairs. सीढ़ियाँ, stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. S-T-A-I-R-S. And how many vowels are there? 2. Very good. Now, next question. Which is the main entrance of the house? What is the main entrance of the house called? किस पार्ट को हम main entrance बोलते हैं? That is gate. That is gate. Very nice. G-A-T-E. Mostly all the words are having 2 vowels. Great. Superb. So my last question. Last question. You all are having this part at your home. In your house, you all are having this, where postman uncle put letters. Yes. Which part is this? Great. Letter box, where postman uncle comes and put letters. Letter box. So what is the spelling of letter? L-E-T-T-E-R. 2 vowels are there in letter. And B-O-X, box. And box is having 1 vowel. So total 3 vowels are there in this word. So now you all have seen, yes, that a house is made up of so many different parts, and each part is very important. Now you know how important our house is. Yes, our house is very important for us. See, when there is lots of cold weather outside, or heat is there, hot weather is there, we stay inside the house. Yes, and we feel protected. And when there is heavy rainfall outside, mama said to keep inside, don't go outside. Yes, see, if some wild animal, stray dogs comes, then we feel safe inside our house. See, our house is very important for us. Yes, you have learned that all living beings need a house to live in. Yes, now you learned about house, its importance and its parts. So now you all have to promise that you all will make your house clean. You will make your house neat and clean. Yes? Great. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.